definitely the wrongest way to start a vlog, but hello my loves. I know I've been away for a million years, and I'm probably going to do like an explanation and all of that stuff, but in the meantime, today's Sunday, we're headed to church. I'm trying out a new church today, and I hope it turns out well. I need a close-knit Christian community to start attending and basically just grow my faith with God this year. So yeah, I'm actually running late, so let's head out.
Let me show you one scripture. John chapter 3 verse 8, and I close with that now. John 3 verse 8.
You guys, so service was good. Service was good. I went to the new church, that's what it's called, in Ikeja, and it's predominantly a youth church. Oh my god, I'm sweating. And I actually did enjoy the service. I loved, I don't know, there was just this energy about the church that I actually loved. Am I going to go back? We'll see. But yeah, there was something amazing that God did for me this morning. So while I was filming, Nepa took lights, and I woke up early so that I could film like for for TikTok and Instagram. And when I finished my makeup and hair, Nepa took lights. So I'm like, God, please just give me this light. Just give me that. So I was like, you know what, if this light doesn't come, I'm going to, that's it, the video is going to be done, or I'll just film it in low light, and if it's not good enough, I'll delete it and just discard everything. And just as I was about to wear my top, Nepa brought lights. Won't God do it? But anyway, the weather is hot, I'm hungry, and I have no food at home. So this was the package I got from the new church. As if God knew that I didn't have food. 7 up free, because I'm trying to watch my weight. And donuts, you guys, it's going to go a long way. I might just take cereal afterwards. But yeah, I've taken off my jewelry, my hair. Next thing I need to do is take a bath and attend to my room, because it's a mess. It's a whole lot of mess. So let me go and have my bath, take this snack, and tidy up my room. So if you follow me on TikTok, you would know why I went to a new church. So my current church is actually Daystar, but I'm kind of looking for a community. I want a church that my presence is felt, like I'm contributing to the growth of God's work and all of that. Daystar is very big, and it's kind of easy to get lost in the sauce. I love the preaching and all of that, but I wanted to do more. I wanted like a close-knit community that I could be a part of, and just grow. I think that's the main thing, a close-knit community that could grow, that could help my spiritual journey. And yeah, basically that's why I'm looking for a church. So preferably like a smaller church. Oh my god, this donut is so nice. Well, yeah, that's literally it. The sermon was amazing. The energy was really good. I see myself going back there. Will I go back there? I'm not sure, but yeah, stick around to find out. I know my mirror is dirty, so please don't come for me. I thought I was going to have been able to finish tidying up my room by now. This is actually like to 6 or about 6 o'clock, but I had to attend a meeting which was supposed to be for like 30 minutes that extended to 2 hours. But yeah, I think I'm just going to start tidying up now. When my food comes, I'll continue because it's a lot and I don't think I can finish everything I plan to do. I also wanted to declutter my closet space, but I don't think I can do that, so I'm just going to start with this.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast.
So after like a million years, Jumia Food decided to deliver my food. I'm extremely hungry. This is the last thing I'm doing today. I wasn't able to tidy up my closet and declutter, but yeah. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is like my favorite food from the place. Is the palm oil rice. Lately they've been messing up with their meals and portions, and to be honest, it's because I don't have a choice, because my car is not ready. That's why I can't go get food myself. But yeah, you see, we are our own problem in this Nigeria. So I just got back from work, yeah, and I went to the POS to withdraw money. Mind you, today the CBN governor said they were going to extend the old money usage thingy for like 10 days to like February. So tell me where I go to the POS machine, or not POS vendor, to withdraw cash, and they're telling me 500 naira for 5,000 naira. Before, this was 100 naira. That was the Nigerians were our own problem. I just gingerly went into the supermarket, bought bread because I want to have like bread and egg, and then I stumbled upon this drink. When I started taking this peach seaway, it was 100 naira. It's 300 naira now. I want to tell me that there's not a problem. If you have forgotten your PVC, you have no right to be talking. Period. You have no right to talk. But I'm tired. I don't have any cash, so I don't even know if I'm gonna get to work tomorrow. But I probably will. I'll just take an Uber. But nah, it's not even. This is not the way to live, man. I really hope I get cash tomorrow. With all this my ranting, but I really hope I get cash tomorrow. Right now, I just want to have my bath, have dinner. I know it's late, but I'm just tired. Food is anything that's going to comfort me. Have dinner and then go to bed. So yeah. So I just got back from work, and I had to take a shower because there was one stupid traffic on the way. A tanker, what do they call that thing? Container fell and blocked the whole of Ojota Bridge. So there was traffic and I was just really dirty. So I had to have my bath. I want to make dinner. Then I'll show you guys the perfume that I got. So last week I received some customized perfumes. So one time like this, me and my friend Lade, sometime this month, today's actually the last day of the month, but sometime in January, me and my friends Lade and Diola, we went to this place in Lagos where they make customized perfumes, and we kind of like did a video on it. The guy wasn't really a social media person, but then when he saw our video, he was actually really impressed and all of that. So he made us customized perfumes, and this is mine too, actually 100 ml bottles. So let me show you guys what they look like. So this is the packaging. It's quite basic, but it's not so bad, and this is what it looks like open. Hello. But yeah, this is what the perfume looks like. See, I want to show you guys the quality of this bottle. I'm literally dangling it and it's not coming off. I'm trying to save it, but look, it's not coming off. That's to show you how good this bottle is. Like, you get, but look, this thing smells like in fact, you know that's a billionaire song, cue it in, because I wore this to work and everybody kept asking, like, what are you wearing, what are you wearing? Like, it's that good. It's literally that good. And then the second one, it's almost like the same kind of scent profile, but it smells amazing. This is more like an oud finish, while this one, let me even see, this one has more like spice in it. I never thought I would like spicy perfumes, but this is amazing. This has like spice in it. It's so good, you guys. Like lemongrass. This one has like amber, oud. I love oud perfumes. They make you smell like money. Like But yeah, I'm really excited for this perfume, and I planned on buying perfumes this month, and then 200 ml bottles. You can't get this for less than, like, if I was going to buy perfume outside, I won't get it for less than 15k. So this is 30 grand. Come on. But anyway, it's the last day of January. This month was amazing for me. I'm not even going to lie. I started the year with 3,635 followers, and as of today, January 31st, I have like 4,415 followers, which is amazing. I'm going to do like a story time, like a life update video next, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to have questions about the elephant in the room. But yeah, January was good for me. It not like it was rosy or anything, but I was extremely grateful for growth, and basically just I allowed joy take over, and yeah, it's actually way better. Think I found a new church, and I'm looking forward to the community I'm going to grow there. So yeah, January wasn't actually bad like the way we used to say it, and it wasn't even as long as before. I don't know why, but it was actually really bearable. It was a very bearable month, but I'm glad it's over nevertheless. Valentine is coming, not that I have a vow or anything, but I really hope to be consistent this year. I really hope so, but we'll see about that. Yeah, that's it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys for sticking to the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.